hard to see, but anyway, here's my setup now. There's my dash cam, Sony sensor. It's an RSC Nano, and I wanted to kind of hide it behind the rear view mirror so you can't really see it from the front of the car. And I got the cable going up around the windshield, along the A-pillar, down in here. I used a couple of clips under the dash, got it nice and neat. You can see it there a little under the panel, and it comes out right near my power socket that I'll be using. You know, in the daytime I'll just use this, but at nighttime this is how I want to have it. So it'll be like this. And it looks like there's a couple of airflow passages here when you close this, so that's okay. There it is, 66%. It's funny how on the video it looks like the numbers are jumping, but they're not when I look at it directly. It must be like an optical illusion, so it's okay. I think that's alright like that. So anyway, we'll see how that works out. And then in the daytime I'll just, you know, plug this back into here, and then this goes here. So there it is.